Caution, you guys are going to be addicted to this channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Minhas and I hope you all are fine. I hope you all have enjoyed your puja. So if you're new here, then let me say again welcome back. I'm Minhas Yesmin and I post whatever I want in this channel, but specifically and mainly dance videos. So as you guys know that I'm Muslim and I have never celebrated puja like this in the sense I will show you how like this. So this time I celebrated puja at my brother's place, and right now he is sleeping, so I'm not showing him, but I will show him later. And I kid you not, I enjoyed a lot. Like the first time I have celebrated puja like this, and I want to share my experience. I want to show how I celebrated my puja. So yeah, that's it. So I started with a home, and then I went out with my sister. Then I came back, changed my outfit and went with my brother. So yeah, this is my brother. And this is Chinky, and she was so scared of this ride, but she is enjoying a lot. Then I had this Turkish ice cream, and I kid you not, बहुत नचाया इन लोगों ने. And then ended the night with these group pictures, as you can see. So yeah, nothing much on the day. I was just went to the mandap and clicked some pictures, and on evening I was thinking of going to Maligaon but could not. So yeah, I was just in my room and I was eating and enjoying my ice cream, as you can see. Clicked some pictures and made some reels. So here's a reel for you. Most awaited day. So like Dashami is celebrated on 5th October, but in Pandu we celebrated that on 6th October, and I kid you not, it was so amazing, so amazing. I danced like I'm gonna die. Keep watching. Yeah, I told you, I enjoyed a lot. So today is 9th of October and I'm still at my brother's place. I'm still here. I'm still enjoying here because today is Lakhi Puja and I will go home tomorrow. Like I will go to my PG tomorrow morning and I want to show my auntie and my brother and my sister here. Right now auntie is preparing for Lakhi Puja, as you can see. Auntie kiba kobo? Kiba kobo?
Ay, yung sapo kasi lang ko kayo bilang ilang po kasi ilang ta. Magalagi na mekla sa tuting.
Ayo, you know like short.
So auntie is preparing for Lakhi Puja right now and this is my sister. Hi. Naam to koi diya? Her name is Tanisha, okay? Kiba koba? Kinuga gol puja kiba koba? Okay, she don't want to say anything. So yeah, here is my brother.
Please.
Please!
What?
So just saying it just hi go please. So here is my brother. Hi koi na ever. Hi koi na ever. That's it. I really enjoyed it a lot. I made some really good friends. I can see their name here. I have a sister here. Apart from Tanisha, this is Chinky, and then I have made few friends, Pinky, Pooja, Rakhi, and all the friends of my brothers are my brothers. So they're like really close to me right now. And by the time I was editing this video, already the puja was done, and now I'm eating this. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you all have enjoyed my vlog and also your puja, and tell me in the comment section if you how you enjoyed it. Okay, bye bye, thank you for watching.